light. Lahat, wala akong masabi kasi masarap yung cake. Wala, hindi makapag-concentrate. Anyways, yun. Continue to be a good friend, best friend, sister. Anyway, friendly, thoughtful, sweet. Yung character mo talagang strong fighter. Happy birthday. More God blessings and yun, success. Happy life.
Today is your special day. Happy birthday, Weng. Be energetic as you are. Yung spice ng pagiging suplada, which is yun yung trademark mo ever since. Medyo mataray. May pagkamataray ng konti. Pero okay naman. Ano naman yun? Bearable. And continue cooking good food. So, long life to you. Happy birthday.
Ayun. Maganda, syempre. Happy birthday to you! Syempre, hindi mo maganda. Sabi din mga ko, teacher ko maganda.
Happy birthday, Ruel. I hope you have so many birthday to come. At saka, sana makabalik ko next year. Happy birthday!
Weng, ano yan, small but terrible. Kung ano yung niliit niya, yun din yung kinataray niya noon ng elementary kami. Oh, yan. Pero mabait siya, mabait. Tapos makulit lang maningil dahil kasi laging treasurer. Diba? Laging treasurer yan, makulit yan. Araw-araw, sisiling kapag hindi ka nagbayad. Ayun, happy birthday.
All positive traits na kay Weng. Diba? Yun lang. Lahat ng positive traits na kay Weng.
Ulit-ulit.
Oh. All text ako eh. Unlive. Happy birthday na!
Si Weng, best friend ko siya since nung elementary. Love ko siya talaga. From the bottom of my heart. Talagang sobrang na-miss ko siya. I'm glad talaga na may FB, nagka-get together kami. Para sa akin, napaka good ni God sa mga ganung bagay. Sana from now on, pag mapupukal yung communications natin, stay good, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Yun ang mga wishes ko sa'yo. And forever love sa iyong happy. Love you, sarap ng food.
Hindi naman yun kasi
Ano pare, kung gagaling ko? Ano ba yung snow, walang snow, reklamo, walang snow. Tapos nung natulog na ako, sinugtuglan ng baas. Kaya, may natulog na ako. Sabi ko walang snow, malamas lang. Ba? Pag-ibukas ko ng
That's his answer. All answers can be answered.
then, if he is all-knowing, why did he give us the will, the decision to ask the question?
Ngayon, that's gonna be your question to the Lord. If that can be answered to but that can be answered by yourself, you will not come.
Kasi parang hanapin mo ako. Hanapin mo ako.
That there is God.
I will give
I
you
think it's God, of course.
It's up to you how to use it. Pero at the end, hanapin mo ako.
Isang Katoliko, isang born again. Sabi ko na yung mukha kang protestante.
Pero sino yung mas tanong building yun? Kung yan ang sinasabi nyo, yung pinaniniwala nyo, dahil yan tinuro sa inyo, ako hindi. Hindi ko basta-basta paniniwalaan yung turo sa inyo. Alam nyo muna hanggang anong limit ng alam niya. Baka mali ang tinuturo niya. Yun lang sa akin, simple naman. Kung hindi mo alam ito,
Tama naman pa ang attitude naman
the
yun.
blind cannot lead the blind.
Correct.
Oh,
You know what? Once you get satisfied.
Pero I also believe that there are some things that you don't never know.
Correct!
You cannot know it. But because you need time to know it. And you don't have that. You don't have
Because
that.
we are not God. We are not all
Sa akin
knowing.
kasi, sa akin, simple lang yan eh. Marami kang questions. And you know, at the end of time, hindi masasagot lahat ng tanong.
Yes, tama nga.
Hindi masasagot. Pero,
Don't wanna close my eyes. Don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby.
si Minor. Ano, Birdie, kumusta yung spaghetti ko? Tikman mo ah, sandali lang. Commercial ba ito? Oo. Settle. You know? Oh, you know? Alis dyan. Humarap ka. Huwag kang tumalikod. Ayun, no? Nagtitrip. Partner kayo, partner kayo.
Anyway, happy birthday from Femasious 93. Ulit. Femasious 93. Friends.
Happy birthday, Te. Ano? Love you. Tama, tuloy-tuloy mo.
Ay, Len, ikaw na.
Happy birthday!
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, yun.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Sir.
Bye-bye.
Pagpalaan ka ng Panginoon.
Thank you.
Pagsugat. Kalakasan.
Maganda. Birthday, Ate Reg. I hope you have more birthdays to come and hope you have long life and God bless. Take care of all.
Happy birthday, Ate Weng. Wish you a more happy life, wisdom. God bless you. Sana lahat ng mga plano mo matupad. Good health.
Hi, thank you so much for the
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.